Hydrocyclone, what is it? Well, stay tuned and I'm going to show you exactly what the hydrocyclone is and what it does. So what does it actually do? The hydrocyclone is used for any of our Aquablast machines, 1215, 1515, 915, the smallest one, which we're actually going to use today. And what it actually does is it helps remove the media that's already inside. So let's say you're using glass beads, whatever grade, the hydrocyclone will make sure that it takes out 80 to 90% of all that media from the machine. So it just makes it a little bit easier to clean when you actually take it out and hose it down. Yeah, so how it actually works. The hydrocyclone will go inside the cabinet. What actually happens is you'll remove the nozzle from the gun and that will go into the hydrocyclone, it will connect to it, and then it's literally just a case of foot on the pedal and just wait for the media to drain out. The buckets with the 915 usually takes up to 3 buckets, but it all depends on obviously how much media you've put in. We're using the 915, we've got 3 buckets lined up, we've got the hydrocyclone lined up, so let's see what is what. The best practice really is to turn the pressure all the way down, the working pressure, because all you're doing is just emptying, so you don't really need full. Lock that in. And so this way, obviously, just sort of makes sure that any media that's coming out at pressure is not going to bounce straight back out again. So that's why we just recommend turn it down all the way down as a working pressure, and you should be working fine. Alright, so bucket number 1 is done. Again, the buckets will get heavy, so just make sure that you are balancing yourself and you remove it. So I'm just going to leave bucket number 1 down here. And make sure that obviously the buckets don't have holes in them. That's usually a good one as well. No holes in this. We should keep the water in. That's the whole aim of this process. Right, okay, bucket number 2 ready to be loaded up. Okay, so bucket number 1, I've just emptied the water, and just to give you an idea of what it actually looks like on the inside, that's your media. So the water sits at the top, the media drains all the way to the bottom. Yes, this can be reused. It all depends on how many times that same media has been used, obviously, you know, throughout the life of the machine. And for us, I know that this could be used again. The whole thing with the buckets is you can see it. You can see how if you need a 3rd bucket or a 2nd bucket. For us, we needed 2 buckets. Our recommendation is if you can help it, every week the machine should really be emptied out and you know, cleaned and so on, maintained. But if it's not used, you know, quite often throughout the week, then yeah, you can probably get away every 2 weeks, every 3 weeks with cleaning and obviously draining out the media. The hydrocyclone makes that so much easier, as you've seen, because it's literally just a case of you attach the nozzle to the hydrocyclone, press your foot on the pedal that you usually use to blast media, and then everything will start draining out. If you have an Aquablast machine and you've always been wondering what the hydrocyclone is and why you should get one, hopefully this video has been helpful for you, and if you are interested, then again, get in touch, go to our website. If you have an Aquablast, again, it just makes it so much easier. Why wouldn't you want to make your life easier? That's the main question, okay? Right, hopefully that video has been informative. If you do want to see more videos like this, demonstrating certain features of an Aquablast machine, or here at Vixen, just any features that you want to see, then please let us know and we can make that content for you. But again, it all depends on you guys. So if you want to see that content, let us know in the comments. Like, follow, subscribe as always, and I will catch you on the next video. Until then, stay safe and stay tuned.